Hey guys, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and I know that one of my top videos on this channel is my extremely crispy Hanukkah latkes or potato pancakes. Since tonight I'm also doing a potato, I wanted to take this opportunity to share it with you, especially for anyone who is concerned about doing a latke substitute that is for a vegan, since my latkes are gluten-free, but they do include eggs in the recipe. So tonight, I don't know if you can see these. Tonight, I took just a simple baby potato, these little creamer potatoes that I picked up at Costco. I boiled them this morning so they were already fork tender, and then I used a spoon just to mash them down flat, and I fried them in a little bit of oil. You know, tonight is Shabbat, so I'm treating my kids to some foods that they really like. These are a fried potato that would be great any time of the week, any time of the year, even during Hanukkah. They would be great for breakfast, and they are relatively healthy because I know what's in them. They're just potatoes, salt, and oil. They are great with any topping that you like, definitely great with ketchup. And I just wanted to take this chance to share them with you because I know that my family is really excited to have them. I hope that you enjoy this video. If you've watched my latke recipe or if you've made my latkes, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if your family loves French fries or fried potatoes. These are really easy to pull off at home. They don't take any preparation aside from boiling your potato and a quick mash with the spoon. And I just did 3 skillets full for my dinner tonight, so not too much frying, but definitely worth the effort for the payoff that I know we're gonna have. I'm gonna take a taste now. Oh, and these are fabulous. The potatoes I did are 2 colors. I have little baby red ones and little baby Yukon Golds. They're so adorable. They're really mini. And so I think the kids are really gonna love them. That's all. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you back here on my channel soon. Take care.